are body parts. In this module, you will identify the different body parts.
Welcome to the inter-class poetry competition. The first contestant is Sid.
Good morning. Today, I'm here to recite My Body, a poem on our body parts. My head is on top of my body. My body has nose, lips, and teeth. My body has 2 eyes and 2 ears, and also a neck, chin, and cheeks. All these are special to me. My body has 2 arms and 2 legs. My body has ankles and wrists. My body has knees and elbows. My body has shoulders and hips. All these are special to me. My body has 10 toes and 10 fingers. My body has 2 hands and feet to tap and clap to the rhythm to help me keep up with the beat. All these are special to me. My body has a tummy and chest. My body is covered with skin. My body does all sorts of things. My body is special to me.
The poem was indeed fun. It has also told us about the different body parts that we all have. Let's recap. Our body has many parts. All body parts are important for us.